Hi guys, welcome back again to my kitchen and to my channel, and welcome back to a month of July where I'm doing juices and tea. This juice recipe is how to cut belly fat fast, easy and simple.
Jamaican, here comes a rude boy Jamaican.
Okay guys, our ingredients is very simple. You are going to need about 4 slices of fresh pineapple. Do not use canned pineapple, use the fresh pineapple. You're going to use parsley for this recipe. You're going to also need cucumber and you're going to need celery. So that is all you are going to need. So let's get started. Okay guys, we are moving on to the first and our only step. You're going to go ahead and add your cucumbers in. You add your celeries in. Also going to add your pineapples in as well. And then you add your parsley in. You want to go ahead and add your lukewarm water in. Don't add cold water. Add lukewarm water. And that is all you're going to do. Now guys, you want to do this overnight. Put it inside your refrigerator and let it sit. You want this thing to sit for about 12 hours. And then you're going to drink this the next day, all through the day. For the whole entire day, this is what you're going to be drinking. You could drink this for a whole week. One whole week you could have this every single day for a whole week. And I guarantee you, it is going to cut that belly fat. You could sip it for during lunch, dinner, whatever, but have it for a whole complete week. Alright guys, hope you enjoy this one. These recipes are going to be ending the end of July, and starting August will be all the recipes that you guys are asking for. Alright, so they're coming for August 1st. One more is coming after this, and then it's all about cooking. So I hope you've been enjoying these recipes guys. Fast, easy and simple, cutting belly fat and detoxing. Like, share, thumbs up. Let me know what you want to see me cooking next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen, enjoy. I'm going to let this cook for a good 30 minutes on medium heat. Cover it up nice and make it simmer. And when it's done simmer, it's time for eat. So see you back in a few minutes.
So this is in with your foundation, full coverage. You know, like bam. And last but not least, the last thing I tend to go for in my makeup collection is this palette right here. Let me show you what this baby looks like. It has a whole bunch of concealers. I believe it's $10 for this palette.